Hello, and thank you so much for being here. I cannot wait to share this with you. This is a Yoga Nidra, also kind of like a deep guided meditation. It is for men to help you connect to your inner sexual power. It's also really wonderful to help you be more mindful, more present during self-pleasure and intimacy. So whatever your goals are, this will help you with sacral chakra healing, mindfulness, and increasing your sexual connection. So I'll give you a moment to get comfortable. And if we've not connected yet, my name is Joss. I offer many different meditations for men. If you're interested in a more tailored guided meditation, which is focused on your specific needs, please join my newsletter and you'll get a link to request a custom meditation. With this Nidra, it's going to give you ways to improve your libido, help you be more mindful, healing for your sacral chakra, and also boosting sexual power. And we will begin now. You might be enjoying this naked, and you might even bring your hands to your sexual organs and really be present with the sensation of touch. And I'll invite you to feel your body in contact with the ground now, or with whatever you're lying on. Okay, so notice maybe the back of your legs that you feel. Maybe you feel your back, the back of your head. Notice all those sensations. And I'll invite you to take a scan of your body from the top of your head all the way down to the tip of your toes. And where do you notice your awareness today? For example, maybe in your third eye, maybe in your belly, in your heart, maybe in the sexual organs. You could notice any spots of tension in your body. Maybe you feel tight in your shoulders or your belly, maybe even in your face. So keep staying quite present and mindful, and relax your body where you can. If there's any clenching or holding, take a nice exhale and let go. And really welcome anything that you're feeling today. Okay, so there's no analyzing, no judging or changing. If you're feeling low self-esteem, feeling doubt, feeling disconnected, that's okay. Okay, maybe now you start to feel your body getting a little bit heavier. Keep letting go. Keep relaxing. Really letting go in your jaw. If you notice that you kind of clench your teeth, relax your tongue, relax your eyes. And now welcome a full cycle of your breathing. Notice how light that feels and flowing. What is that like? On your next inhale, feel yourself receiving life, receiving energy. And as you exhale, let go of any doubt, any fears. Okay, notice how it feels to simply breathe in your heart space. You might welcome any repressed thoughts or parts of you that you might be hiding, parts of you that you judge. You could welcome those parts now with love and kindness. And this might help you welcome everything you're feeling. I'm here. I'm present, and I'm mindful with my body right now. I'm here. I'm present. I'm mindful with my body right now. Okay, breathe awareness to your whole body now. What is that like? How does that feel? I'll invite you to welcome every sensation in your body, every thought, every emotion. Inhale. On that exhale, letting go anything that's not serving you. So the key is to keep allowing things to flow. There's no holding or resisting. Let it all flow. Use your breath to help you. And I'm going to guide you now through your body, and we're going to rest in your sexual organs, your sacral chakra towards the end. So gently follow my voice, and it's okay if you kind of lose focus or fall asleep. It's completely natural. Just keep coming back to your breathing and my voice. Okay, so bring your awareness to the tip of your tongue. And you might see a healing light here, or a twinkling star on the tip of your tongue. Notice all the sensations inside your mouth now. You might notice the top row of teeth and the bottom row of your teeth, the sensations of your tongue and your lips. Feel the sensations inside your nostrils as you take an inhale now. Okay, all the parts that I mentioned, keep receiving light and life to all these parts of your body. Let energy flow here. Notice the back of your head, the back of your neck. Notice your throat, moving down to your shoulders. Feel your arms. Go down to notice your elbows, your wrists. Notice your inner palms. The tips of your fingers on your right hand and your left hand. How does that feel? And now you feel both of your arms, your shoulders. Notice your chest and your ribs. And again, you could say this out loud. I am here. I am present. I am mindful with my body right now. Okay, let's keep journeying down your body. Feel your belly. Go down to your hips and notice your legs now. Go down your legs through your knees, through your ankles. Notice your toes now. The toes on your right foot and your left foot. And again, you can place twinkling stars or a light on the tips of your toes. Notice the space between your toes now. Okay. Feel your whole body now. All those little parts that you discovered. Welcome all the sensations. Take a breath in and an exhale. I'll invite you to take your next inhale and breathe up your legs and rest in your sexual organs. Maybe you have your hands here. And this is the space of your sacral chakra. This is the space of your emotions, your sexual vitality, your libido. So we'll pause here. Could you feel a flow of your sexual energy in this space now? Maybe you visualize a light, stars, movement. Maybe you see a flowing river. Feel this space light and flowing. Now follow that sexual energy inwards. Right in the center of your sexual organs, maybe you see it as a ball of energy, powerful, strong. Keep breathing into that light. Feel it getting brighter and bigger. This is your sacred sexuality. This power is always within you. And the more that you can breathe here and send your awareness in this mindful way, the stronger the energy will become. And the better you can channel it. So stay here feeling mindful. This is your temple of sexual energy. You can tap into it whenever you like. Feel confident with this space. Feel gratitude. And again, repeating out loud, I am here. I am present. I am mindful with my sexuality and my body right now. Welcome all of the sensations now. Feel a flow of your sexual energy here, and no rushing forward. Just be present with every sensation and feeling. On your next exhale, release anything limiting, any self-criticism, any doubt. And stay present with that flow. Feel your whole body now and come back to your breathing. Notice an inhale versus an exhale. Notice the sensation of touch on your sexual organs. As you bring your hands here, feel kindness, compassion, trust, love. How does that feel? And closing your practice by again feeling your body in contact with whatever you're lying on. Maybe you feel the back of your legs, the back of your head, and your back. And let your breathing awaken you now so it gets a little bit deeper. And start to touch your fingertips together or touch the ground or the bed, the sofa. I'll invite you to open your eyes and look at the corners of your room or the space you're in. And now that sexual energy that you noticed within you, although you are back to your waking state, keep that thread of connection going, trusting that beautiful energy that is within you. Thank you so much for exploring this meditation, this Yoga Nidra with me. And again, my name is Joss, and if you're curious to explore a deeper practice or a custom meditation for your exact needs, please follow the link below the video for my newsletter sign up, and from there you'll get an invite to request a meditation for you. Thank you so much for being here.